ANC, EFF out of government. And then we need to sit down and draw up, let's say, 10 broad principles of good international best practice, good governance. In other words, no corruption, small, effective professional civil service, free market economy, property guaranteed, etc. But you go and look at those 10 basic principles, those things that make countries successful to grow economically, to create prosperity, and to get people out of poverty. We need to sit that down on the table. That broad church movement needs to have a name. It needs to have a logo, and then political parties, those that are now involved in the Moonshot Pact, should then say, but we want to become part of this broad church movement. And then I visualize that when you get to the election, those parties will participate in their own right like they do now. But on their posters will be also the logo of this broad church UDF kind of movement, so that the electorate can say, well, I can vote for the party of my choice who are part of this broader process. But I know full well that after the election, they will come together and form a coalition government on these principles that we've agreed on, and it becomes an absolute joint process.